prevalence in PG County. And these are all the zip codes, of course, and you can see them a little clearer on these sheets here. You can see them a little clearer on the sheets.
And guess what? 20743 has got the highest
Now,
rate.
how do we know? Because people come to the health department when we first diagnose them to get tested. And so we just keep statistics over the years, and so we can tell you the numbers on anything.
So you got
Sexually transmitted.
So you got to deal with being in between Baltimore and DC, and you happen to be taking a training class in 20743.
Okay. We said that HIV had to be transmitted as 4 fluids, and I mentioned that when we did the word find in that class that we had. And those 4 fluids are blood, semen, vaginal fluid, and breast milk. Because again, we said the bodily fluids had to come from one person's body to another person's body, and it had to be of a penetrative nature. And that can happen through sex or through injection drug use. Okay? But those are the 4 fluids. If I was going to give you a test on this would certainly be one of the questions. And I would be furious, Joseph, if anybody got it wrong. Delonte, I'd be furious because everybody should know this. Everybody should know what HIV stands for, human immunodeficiency virus, even though it's a long word. Everybody should know what AIDS stands for, acquired immune deficiency syndrome. And everybody should know the 4 fluids through which HIV is transmitted: blood, semen, vaginal fluid, and breast milk. Elementary, basic, bottom line. Everybody ought to know. And I gave you the paper that it's on. But watch. I'm going to come in here, and that's going to be my first question next week. Next week is going to be my first question of number 1, and I'm going to have you write it. I'm going to have you write it. I'm going to ask, number 1, what does HIV stand for? Number 2, what does AIDS stand for? Number 3, give me the 4 fluids for which HIV is transmitted. And if you can't answer, we're going to have a fight. We're going to fight. I'm going to get Floyd Mayweather. Me and him going to fight you. I'm going to get Pretty Boy Floyd. Let him do the fighting. Okay, these are the ways, because again, if I was going to Washington, D.C., I would have to have a mode of transmission. I could walk, I could take the train, I could take a bus, I could take a car, but I got to have some kind of a way to get there. For those 4 fluids to be